In a snow-covered forest, the world transforms into a realm of whispers. The snow acts like a soft blanket, muffling even the loudest sounds, turning footsteps into gentle echoes. Each branch that snaps under the weight of snow feels like a secret shared only with the trees. The soft rustle of snowflakes drifting down amplifies the stillness, creating an acoustic sanctuary where every sound resonates with a unique clarity. It's fascinating how winter reveals a more intimate side of nature, inviting us to listen closely. In this serene silence, we discover the beauty of the forest's hidden symphony.